money quickly. And some of my friends say, which option trading I can. How can I do?
Hello?
How can I do? What is the solution?
Do what?
How can I make big money without knowing option trading?
You don't need to be in the money to make big money. Just contract successful tradings.
I confirm, you don't need to be in the money to make big money. With successful trading, learn to trade options as a beginner. Successful trading is here for you.
Hello?
Welcome to Successful Tradings. Welcome to Successful Trading for this daily market recap for September 11, 2020, where we review the entire week, some of the trade that works for us, what we traded on here. So I believe this week we are going to be talking about this day for the daily market recap. It's going to be about SPY and the cues where the general market is going. The trade that's a brand new maiden trade that's we traded in our Discord room on NKLA. Is that how? Yeah, NKLA stock, NKLA, I believe. And the gangster trade of the day. I believe that was exciting. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. All right, we are looking at the daily chart of SPY on TradingView. And this is in the background, the colors on there. If you're watching us for the first time, these are the Fibonacci level. Over the last 7 days, SPY has had a red candle 6 out of 7 times. Yeah. So the sole green candle over the last 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, do we count this one? Okay, so 2 if you want. But since the top there, we have had just red candles. Doesn't matter even when we gap up, like we gapped up on Thursday. Yeah, folks, this was the gap up on Thursday from 339 to 341. Strong resistance at 342. We closed low, almost low of the day. Today we didn't close low of the day, but it may as well, right? Because you had this impression that the market could just sink at any point of time, but they were playing it cool, the algos, that is. So we hit a support, let's say at a bounce off of 331. Remember that value what comes Monday, because it's anybody guess what's going to happen Monday. Last Monday, when we were not open this month, past Monday, we were closed because of the Labor Day. For us, we say that we were closed because we were having our boot camp. If you want those videos, by the way, the recording of our boot camp, let us know. Reach out on our websites, and we will gladly see how we can get them to you. So, is another gap down in store for us on Monday, because right now the next level on here is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement at 328.42. 24 rather. So after that, my friend, there's a lot to go. So interesting times, scary times, but hey, we don't have to sweat about that. This is not the time, not the place. We will worry about that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Definitely for us, we just position ourselves to trade whatever coming our way. Speaking of trading whatever coming our way, the last couple of days we had a great trade on NKLA. I think let me actually bring the Discord on here and go on the just winners. Yeah, I think this trader, did we pin it? Yes, we did. This is a trade 600%. This is a brand new trader, Mr. November Bravo 50. November Bravo 50. I don't think November Bravo 50 has been here for more than a month, folks. This is a trade he pulled out. This you see his exact account on here. Fantastic stuff. Yeah. So trading he was even trading the September 40 put. Okay. So for us, we were even more aggressive. I can show you trade that's were made. Yours truly made on. Oh, no. Let's show the left. Let's show the chart first. Yeah, because we have to teach first. So this is the goal of this channel on here. When people come for the daily market recap telex, is they somehow they want to learn how these things are done. Because you can show them, oh, this is the trade. But what got you into the trade? That's the most important thing. Nikolai, or whatever, Nikolai stock is not part of our watch list per se, but maybe it should now. I mean, people think that we don't have a stock. It was $30 or 50. So what gets us into this trade? I'm trying to show yesterday when exactly. Was it yesterday? Was the day before yesterday when we started this trade? Yep, it paid on Thursday. It paid on Wednesday a little bit. Then Thursday was really good. And today was just excellent. Yeah. So let's go to Wednesday here. So we're talking about the 9th. Yeah, the 9th of September. So we want to see the first time that okay, so this is the 9th. We started our day trading cats. If you didn't catch that, you missed out. All right, so the market was bullish on that day or anything. For us, this is when we got into the trade. Yeah, we have a set of guidelines, very easy guidelines. That's actually, there's a video on this very channel that tells you how to recognize a bearish or bullish setup. That's what we use on NKLA. I stock to trade puts on it. So we traded the 42 puts and the 40 puts. And then today we traded what? We traded the 32 puts. Yeah, so it was something. And the trader on November Bravo, aka Mr. Lewis, he traded the 40 puts, but for expiration, is it next Friday? Because when you say September 20th, that means the third Friday of, so yeah, whereas for us, the result I was going to show you in there, they were for September 11, 42 puts, 40 puts, and some 30 puts today. So why? But what triggered this? What triggered this? What triggered this is that after we did our gangster again, you want to get your hands on those recordings. I kid you not. After we did on Monday, the 7th of September, our boot camp. We learned in the boot camp that, hey, one condition for us to take gangster trade, if you don't know what gangster trade is, again, you are missing out, is a gap. So this stock gapped violently on Wednesday. We tried to get in, but we didn't insist. We didn't get a feel even on the advanced gangster. So there's the gangster trade setup and the advanced gangster. Again, you want to know about that, right? This is not the place for us. The video needs to be literally less than 15 minutes. I'm already wasting enough time. So we couldn't get in, but obviously the stock on that day, I mean, the stock gapped from 30, 36, and they went all the way to 52. Okay, so the next day, on the 9th, the bearish setup that it closed on, the last 2 hours on Tuesday, yeah, sorry about the noise. I need to literally close that window. Oh boy. Yeah, trying to talk about live recording, right? So yeah, the bearish setup that started here continued. So opening on the 9th, which was Wednesday, below VWAP, posting lower lows, we got in. That's the entrance criteria. So we have the entire background on how we traded. And hey, for us, we let our traders know, what time was it on Wednesday? 7:36, meaning after 1 hour. Yeah, we know how to be patient for trade to set up. And from that point on, let me now go to trading view and show you that after that setup entry, let's go to the 15-minute chart on here for Nikolai or Nicola. I don't know how do you say it. So the text here meant to say that this is the entry. Wait, could I? Oops. Easy text. Okay, so entry into September 11 42 puts. I think they were for just shy of $1, 90 cents or whatever. At 90 cents. Yeah. And then, well, obviously plus the 40 puts. I don't recall. Still, yeah, 40 puts. I don't recall how much they were. Well, we may see over there. And then from there on, this is the teaching part. As long as the stock is below the closest resistance, notice the crossover between the exponential moving average 8 in yellow, meaning recent momentum, versus exponential moving average 20, the older momentum, and even the VWAP, right? This crossover is something we have been seeing. You never had to worry about it. So here on Wednesday, at the end of the day, the position just doubled. The 42 calls, the 42 puts, they just doubled. But my friend, when it gapped down on Thursday from a close at 42.37 to opening at 38 something, and it even posted a low of 37.05, yes, that was nice. That was nice on there. And then the rest of the day kind of went sideways, not much or anything. And then this morning, further gap down. So that trigger again for us to take the 32 puts, which we traded. 32 puts, yes, which we traded this way. Not sure. I'm gonna ask Mr. November if he still had some contract left, or if he continued trading it. I'm recording the video. Literally, the market has just been closed for 2 hours. So this was a great trade for me personally. It was the first time I was trading NKLA stock, and just applying the principle of trading a bearish trend, as we have taught the trader on here. And Mr. you saw the comments by Mr. November on, in his case. Oh yeah, Mr. November made 600%. So for us, we made a share of 600% thereabout on the 42 puts originally. That's what we took. Let's go back there, and this is him here. So yeah, 60 cents, yeah, to $3.70. So not too bad, folks. Yeah. So that was one trade that we had, and off. Yeah, do we have the screen there? Yeah, this is our screen of selling off the 42 puts at 5 something, and then the 40 puts obviously here, and the price where we were buying them, I think it's somewhere in here in those. But we traded it a lot, as you can see. So nice trading on NKLA on there. So what else did we trade today? Oh yeah, the gangster trade of the day was none other than, did we show that? Well, we talked about it. If you are missing on the pre-market show, folks, yeah, pre-market analysis that we do every morning at 8:40 or 8:45. Well, first I'm taking the opportunity, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, you're watching, so that means that you find value in the content. Yeah, just go ahead, do us a favor. That will go a long way in supporting us. And also because then you're not going to miss the next opportunity when we provide you on a Friday of all days, right? On a trade like this one. This is what we did today. When was this posted? So meaning I posted this, meaning the Discord folks, they got this even before I came on the show, on the pre-market show. Yeah, I mean, but on the pre-market show, we spell it out for everybody, right? So that was 8:44. I'm in California, so the time is in Pacific time zone. 8:34 a.m. You knew that, hey, for gangster for today, we only have one. I mean, the traders, they can trade gangster because they got the training at the boot camp, right? So Peloton, September 11, 85 puts, sweep. If you don't know what this is, that's okay. That means you need right now to get your hand on the bootcamp videos. I keep you recording. So if you don't know, if this doesn't tell you, it tells a great deal to all of these traders. They know because they attended the bootcamp. They know what this means. This is an enhanced gangster strategy that's worked magic for us today. So we were able to get in at 15 cents. And my friend, the rule is, once you get in, the rule is not the rule or anything, but for me, I like when I get into, they get me a feel into the gangster trade to buy more. So can we get Peloton here? How we traded Peloton today? Oh my goodness, we were busy with Peloton. This is just today. So where did we get a feel for the gangster? I mean, is this just today? Oh my goodness. So bought. Okay, so here's the order at 15 cents. How many did they get us? Okay, but now for us, we bought more. We bought more because the moment that happened, you need to for me, that's how I need to react. Look at the time. So now you can tell me that in 30 seconds after the open, how am I managing to get a feel? My friend, that's the beauty of gangster. We teach you about that in those recordings. So in any case, if I tell you, if we go to the chart of Peloton, so this is NKLA. So let me duplicate this and quickly go to Peloton. So Peloton had earnings, yeah. So we did a quant analysis again, part of our bootcamp knowledge. See, Reason for you, how many times I've told you, I've been telling you, oh, bootcamp, you needed to attend it. Well, if you didn't, this is what you missed out. For us, we know how to do quant analysis on this type of scenario. So I told the traders, and in the pre-markets, if let's say you missed the bootcamp, at least you made it to the pre-markets by subscribing to our channel. We said that our bias was that PTON was going to give back all of that gain. It was up like 13%, whatever, and that's what did. The high of the day, my friend, is the very open price. How beautiful is this? So for us, that's what gave us the confidence to buy so many contracts. Yeah, once we got the Gangster entry. And from there, I mean, here, nothing was happening. To actually tell you the truth, what happened is that those 85 puts, from 15 cents, I think the high that we sold them initially was like 60 cents or whatever. Okay, 300%, that's not bad. But then they took them even lower, like 2 cents or whatever. But my friend, when this happened, they were worth $1. So yeah, close to a 10 bagger on those 85, because the stock went further late. It even went below 85. Well, you have 84.24 on here with 2.5 hours to go in the session. So yeah, this was great. So for us, we were aggressive trading the 85 puts very late into the day. So that's why you saw that busy. I was like, oh my goodness, did I trade that just in and out? Yeah, this is still PTON. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and then late we traded the 86.5 call on there. That wasn't bad. I mean, it made just okay money on it, but the majority of the money was made definitely with the puts on here on some of this trade. As you can see a little bit on here. I don't even know the detail how much we made on it today. Well, must have been nice. All right, so can I get that here? Okay, I'm just looking at a different screen. So, okay, so the key thing on here, as we have been teaching all day, again, look at the pattern, guys. This is what I want you to take away out of today, right? Getting into trade, you will get into the trade, right? You will get into trade, especially if you learn to trade the way that we teach you on here. But my friend, some of the traders that we coach, the question is, when do I exit the trade? How do I know that the trade is still working for me? This is another example of it today, because here we are below VWAP, posting lower lows, but then there's this sideways action that goes almost forever, almost 2 hours, not almost, it's literally 2 hours between when we post this new low of the day at the time to here. This stock is going nowhere, but it's not as if I'm holding puts, it's really threatening me to even go above. It's actually, first of all, it's having even a hard time moving above, closing above the EMAs, the yellow and green line. Yeah, left alone the VWAP. As long as this is true, you stay in that trade. Even on a Friday, I was trading Friday expiration. It's amazing. It's amazing. Once you master this stuff, folks, you can trade anything. Please take the time to review the videos that we have in this channel. They are parts of are they parts of a playlist? Yeah, I think technical analysis, I believe. How to recognize a bearish setup, how to recognize a bullish setup, and that will enable you to trade anything with confidence. And from there, you will be able on your way to taking your trading to the next level. We appreciate your time. Please, if it's the first time that you are catching this this broadcast of our daily market recap, please subscribe to our channel, and that's way you will make sure not to miss the next video that we post. Until then, have a great weekend wherever you are watching from, and we will continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Bye bye. Welcome.